Welcome back to another video. Look how exciting this is. I've got the full collection. I'm very late getting this out. They did arrive to me late this month. If you haven't already seen them, then you must live under a rock. So this is the Macarons collection from Madame Glam, and the destination this month is Paris. Now they're all pastels, but they are very, very pale pastels. I have already swatched them. I'm just going to do a quick design with them today. So we have got, I'll quickly tell you the names. So we've got Lemon Pie, which is a pale lemon. I'm not going to keep saying pale because they're all pale. Then we've got I Lime You, Primavera, Candyland, Raindrop. That's a pretty colour, I like that. Blueberry Cream, Sweetness, Spring in Paris, and then an extremely pale pink, Cherry Petals. So that is the 10 colours. Let me show you them all side by side. Leave that one out a minute. They're all beautiful, creamy colours. They're all just one coat as well, and they are your standard Madame Glam gel polishes, vegan, cruelty free. They're always a 21 free formula, palm oil free, love that, and henna free. And what this collection also comes with this month is a fancy pants no wipe top coat. So it's, yeah, no wipe top coat, but it's a confetti. So this is what it looks like. Let me just clear that up a bit. So this is what it looks like, and this is called Funfetti. And it's just a clear, no wipe top coat with beautiful little iridescent. It's got small hex, tiny hex, and it's got a fine in there as well. So what I've done is I've stuck it over half and half. So that's what it looks like over white. So you get like your pinky purple, cute colours. And then over black, look at that difference. You get like your greens, orange, yellows. Completely different effect, isn't it? It's like good versus evil, isn't it? This is the cute colours, sweet, nice and well behaved. And then you've got your bad girl bitch on that side. I love that. I love that no matter what colour you put it on, you're going to get a different effect, aren't you? I love it over white though. I do like it over a white. Anyway, shall we get into this design? It's going to have to be something very quick today. So I've left out 5 colours that I think I'm going to use. So I'm going to use Candyland, Raindrop, Blueberry Cream, Sweetness, and Viola. And I think what I'm also going to use, I want a darker purple as well. Not too dark. I'm going to use this one from another collection. This is called Vanilla Sky. And this is just, this is a pastel purple as well, as I would say. But it's a darker purple. And I'm just going to do a bit of a horizon with a bit of palm tree going on. We're not in summer yet, but who cares? So let's get some base colours down. So I'm probably going to go into a voiceover now, guys, because I don't want the video to get too long. Right, guys, so these first 2 nails are going to be the same. I'm starting with Candyland, which is a kind of a green. And this is going to be like the water, the sea. So I want that cut off at a straight line. I'm going to do 2 coats of everything. So both these nails are going to be exactly the same. So I will just show you doing one. So I've stuck them in the lamp quickly for 30 seconds. And now I'm going to do an ombre up these nails. So I'm starting with Viola. Yeah, I'm starting with Viola. I had to think then. And I'm going to use Sweetness, Raindrop, and then Vanilla Sky. Vanilla Sky is not out of this collection, but I just wanted a bit of a darker purple at the top. So yeah, starting with Viola, leaving that wet, and then I'm going in with Sweetness. And I'm just doing a little stripe of each colour. These ombre together beautifully because they're such a light shade and very similar. The last two colours were a bit more difficult to ombre because this purple, this last one, is a darker shade. So I like to use a detailer brush. So I'm just using the Madame Glam detail liner. It's just a skinny mini brush. And I literally just swipe up and down the middle, down each side. And just blend them, just keep swiping. Your first coat is going to look patchy. Don't worry about it looking patchy. Your second coat will be fine. So yeah, just blend them, and then I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds, and I'm going to give it a second coat as well. So that's both of them nails done now. So on these other two nails, I'm just going to do a full ombre, but I'm going to miss out the green at the bottom, and I'm going to add blueberry cream. I'm adding blueberry cream in between the second two. So after this colour, I'm going to add the blueberry cream, whereas I didn't on the other nails. Same as what I've done with them first nails. Use a detailer brush and just blend all them colours. Again, I'm going to do 2 coats, and I'm going to cure each coat for 30 seconds. Right, so that's all my base colours down. I'm just going to wipe that tacky layer off because I want to put a matte top coat. I'm going to paint on two of these nails. I like to paint on a matte top coat. So I'm using Madame Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. The ones that have got the green on the bottom, I'm just going to paint a couple of palm trees. This is actually a design. I'll stick a picture up on the screen that I saw, I think, on Instagram. I can't remember her name, but I will stick it up on the screen. So it's a bit of a recreation design. I loved this set. We're not quite in summer, but you all know I don't go with the seasons, and it's summer in my head 24/7. So now they're out the lamp and I've got a matte surface, I'm just going to paint a palm tree. Easiest trees to do. You're literally just doing 4 or 5 little flicky lines coming off. I'm using Madame Glam's black gel paint as well, and these cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. Absolutely fantastic gel paints these are. I love them. Just one swipe, you don't have to go over your lines again and they end up not being very neat and tidy. One swipe with these and you're completely opaque. I love them. So now I'm using a really skinny brush, skinniest brush you can find, and just doing little flicks coming off them branches. And these gel paints cure in the lamp for 60 seconds as well. I'm going to do this on both nails. I'm going to add a couple of little tweety pies, a couple of little birdies. Right, so I've pulled out this micro mylar from Nail Sugar. I think it's called Decadence, this one. So I'm going to give these two nails a coat of Madame Glam's base coat. I'm not going to cure that base coat. I don't want to completely cover the nail with the mylar, just a little thin sprinkle across this full nail. And on the other nail, I'm just going to do just a little swirly flick. I love these flicks. I'm so technical. I'm so good at these words, aren't I? Yeah, little swirly flick on the other nail, and then I'm going to cure them for 30 seconds as well. So now that micro mylar is cured into place, I'm using an old top coat. Nice generous layer of an old top coat. You don't want to get any bits in your good top coat, just so that I can give them a buff nice and smooth. So I'm going to use some pink gems and some clear gems. I'm using a rhinestone glue that cures in the lamp for 30 seconds, and I just used the glue to mark out the kind of shape that I want my gems to be. And once I'm happy with them, they're going to go in the lamp for 60 seconds. I think this gem glue cures for. I'm not actually sure how long it takes, but I always stick it in for 60 just to be sure. And then I'm going to put caviar beads in between all my little gems, and then we can get them top coated and finished. Right, that's my gems all on, so I'm just going to get these top coated now, and that'll be there and finished. there we go, guys. That's them finished. I absolutely love these. Love them colours. They ombre together beautifully, don't they? They really do. Really delicate. I like it a lot. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. My Madam Glam 30% discount code will be in my description box with a link to the website. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hit your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.
Changed all the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change.